All right, so let's talk about ASM 110. This is just where you get to practice using GDB. So you make Hello World in assembler, and as we've done before, and this is still 32-bit Intel assembler. And then you debug it, and you can now disassemble the start and see this. Now, here, yeah, that's what this does. This is the command that moves EAX1. All right. All right. Now, this third command is move EBX1. Okay. The arguments are reversed in the debugger. So here you get to see this is the AT&T format, where the source is here and the destination is there, because you can't write to an immediate constant. You can switch to Intel format, set disassembly flavor to Intel, and then you'll see it this way, where you move from the right to the left. It's just a question of which one you prefer. Then you can put breakpoints in and run it, and you'll see what happens. You'll see what happens to the registers as they get changed by these instructions, which should be pretty clear. And then you can see the memory segments, which I think we looked at before, where you see there are two segments here. There is a, not obvious here anything about them. There are two memory segments. This is going to be code and data, or else data and code. There's no way to tell which from here. And then there's the system, which provides the stack and other things like that. So that's what you see. You just get to analyze various programs here to see what they look like in the debugger. This gives you more practice using the debugger. That's all there is to this one.